So yeah, in this video we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra mobile's features. Yeah, this mobile is set to release soonly in India. Starting with the display size, it comes with a 6.89 inches of bigger LTPO AMOLED 2x display. There are also news like it might support 144 Hz refresh rate, so which is upgraded from the old generation's 120 Hz. This mobile comes with a 10-bit panel and it also supports HDR 10 plus content, and this mobile peak brightness can go up to 4500 nits, which is bright, very bright. And this mobile comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass armor protection glass, not the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It is upgraded version from the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. When we talk about the processor, it comes with a upcoming flagship processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which is a 4nm based octa-core 5G gaming processor. When we talk about 5G, yeah, it does comes with almost 19 to 21 bands of 5G. When we talk about this mobiles, the storage variants, this mobile comes with a different storage variants. Those are 12GB RAM, 512GB, 12GB RAM, 256GB, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of internal storage variants. And these are UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X or LPDDR6 storage variants, RAM variants in the upcoming time. And when we talk about the camera, this is a section where we can expect huge improvements. It comes with the quad cameras at the back side, if 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and also a 10 megapixels of telephoto and 50 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera. What's the biggest thing is that you can shoot up to 8K 30 FPS with this mobile's back camera. For the front, from the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, we might see a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, but the S25 Ultra, we can expect a 50 megapixels of front facing punch hole camera, which can shoot up to 4K 30 fps. So to power up this beast mobile, we need a bigger battery, right? So there is also improvement in this mobile battery section, that this mobile comes with a 5500 milliampere of battery, yes, according to the news until now, and it might comes with 50 watts of fast charge through wire, and as usual 25 watts of wireless charge and 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge support. And when we talk about this mobile availability, like this mobile is available in lot of colors, like up to 4 to 5 colors. And also this mobile comes with a lot of latest features, like this mobile comes with a stereo speakers which supports Dolby Atmos, and there are also one more thing, that this mobile also comes with a Dolby Vision support, yes. And this mobile comes with a no 3.5mm jack, and this mobile comes with the S Pen, which has a latency of 1 millisecond latency, which is almost zero. And when we talk about this mobile's build quality, it is a complete metal and glass build, front and back glass, and the frame is metal, complete metal, and it comes with a boxy design. And there are also news like this might get a curved display, a slightly curved display, not that much curved as OnePlus 12 or some other mobiles, just slightly curved display. And this mobile comes with a huge vapor chamber, like a 7000 mm square vapor chamber, so we can expect a cool mobile from the Samsung side in a flagship variant. And when we talk about this mobile other features, like it comes with the latest features such as Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth 5.4. and when we talk about the operating system, this mobile runs on Android version 15 out of the box with the One UI 6 or later, or even better. So these are the features of this mobile. And when we talk about the box contents, as usual, you will get a Type-C to Type-C cable, and no adapter, and a TPU case maybe, and SIM tool and some quick start guides and stuff like that only. When we talk about the price of this mobile, yeah, this comes with the price tag of, according to the news until now, we can expect this mobile might release with the price tag of 1,19,000 to 1,26,000 rupees. I mean, like 1,19,999 and 1,25,999, almost like 1,20,000 to 1,25,000 rupees. In between those ranges, we can expect this mobile. So wait until the mobile releases and purchase the mobile, and do let me know in the comment section down below which video you want to see from my channel next. And also subscribe, and also hit the like button, and also the share. You can share this video, it's free.